Okay, it's August, whatchamacallit, 31st. It's 55 degrees out right now, so we're going to do a semi-cold start on the tractor because it doesn't like the cold. I can tell because it doesn't start that easy when it gets to 69. It takes a little bit longer. I don't know, so this is the coldest I've ever started it with the diesel in it. So just here we go. Yeah. I can tell it's going to be real fun to start that thing in the winter. Oh, left the truck door open. Well, I'm not going to shut it off right away because that's not a part on it. But, oh, maybe not quite 55 degrees. Oh, yeah, somewhere around there, 56. But yeah, that thing's going to be just fun to start in the winter. Once I get the glow plugs hooked up. Okay, it's the next day now, and you ducks better move, or you're going to get run over by the truck. It's even colder than last night. There's my breath. Boy, you could see it. There. Anyway. It's 48 degrees, or no, excuse me, 46. So, let's do an even. Let's do a cold start again. Oop. Uh-oh. Battery connection. Let's try it again. Oh my gosh. It's not even catching yet. There it goes. Wow, that was hard. Yeah, I really want to get those glow plugs hooked up now. So there you go. It's going to be a cranky one. Well, it already is. Yep. I got all of your simplicity and the other two. Smoke. Oh yeah, don't tell Al Gore. Alright, well, I unfortunately have to go to school.